Creating a spin profile in Blender, open Blender, hit X and delete the default cube, press Shift+A and add a plane to scene. Go to Edit Mode. Press M and merge at center. Go to Front Orthographic View and start extruding the vertex along Y and Z axes. Click on Spin tool in Edit Mode. Go to Top Orthographic View and spin the selected vertices profile along the Z axis. Go to Edge Select Mode. Alt-left click and press F to fill the edge loop. Now press Ctrl+2 to add 2 subdivision surface to the mesh. Shade Auto Smooth, and after that you can add glass material to your model.